this is Galen Bingham, the Leadership Strategist. Hey, how would you feel if you want to give someone a gift and you put thought into considering the best possible gift to help them achieve a long-time goal that they may have held or some dream that they've always talked about? And you present them with a gift, and instead of sensing excitement, you sense frustration that they've got to tear away the paper that you wrapped the gift inside. Then once they tear away the paper, they've got to cut the tape that might be holding the box together. And then once they pull the gift out, they realize they've got to supply their own batteries. And then maybe do an online registration to get the full use out of this gift that you had planned for them. You may be feeling, wow, this person isn't quite as excited as I thought they would be. They're not quite as appreciative. And you may think twice about putting this kind of thought into giving them future gifts. Well, the same is true about the gifts that you have in order to be the greatest in the world at your thing. These gifts are intended for you, but that doesn't mean that there won't be assembly required. You may have to get additional education. You may need certification. You may have to meet some people that aren't in your immediate circles, or feel awkward or silly as you're developing this gift that is intended for you. These are your gifts, but there may be some assembly required. Don't let that get in the way of you becoming the greatest in the world at your thing.